It's a one shot. Just snatched. I said, whoa. We got a 23-minute drive. This ain't too far. I don't know what type of meat this finna be, but we finna go there. No cap. It ain't no fine shit though. Let me hear y'all. Hear that shit. Y'all fucking with the braids, man. Terrell come with the braids on the day. Ain't gonna lie, I'm rocking with this look, bro. I'm forever wearing brown and black from now on, bro. I like black, bro. Black is the best thing you can put on when you go outside, bro. Hold on, that's a 3-9 deuce? Hey, Keith, oh God, that's a 3-9 deuce right there. What you gonna do, 3-9 deuce? Okay. Let me find out we just met a new friend on the highway. At my favorite place in the world, the gas station. Broke nigga alert. Oh no! Oh fuck no! Gotta go on the inside. Gotta. Oh great heaven! It's type chilly out here. I ain't gonna lie. This gas station is a fucking jug, bro. Look at this shit. Bro, it automatically locks, bro, when you pull the shit. Like, you can't even stop it. It's gonna lock, bro. Fuck that shit. I just smashed my finger, bro. On me. That bit hurt. Just smashed my finger fucking with that gas tank. God damn.
Hey, bro, how the hell you let niggas skirt off on us like that, bro?
Oh, nah, I walked him. You gotta see the video. I walked that nigga ass. No cap.
Bro, I don't know, bro. I'm like, this nigga tripping. I gotta go catch up to this
nigga. I tell you, bro, this nigga tried to pull off on me. I flagged his ass down, bro. I swear to God. I said, nigga, this ain't no regular 300, man.
Nigga.
Cut up, bro.
Y'all nigga ass.
At that light, you did leave. Though I was spinning, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, God damn, this nigga just low-key left my eye, bro. Y'all, so look, we got this girl right here on the side of me on this bridge. I think she on TikTok live. I'm finna walk down on her own screen.
It's Miss Official. Y'all was shooting a video?
Yeah, I shoot YouTube.
Okay, that's cute.
I seen you over there doing your thing. I wanted to walk over there, but I ain't want to interrupt.
Yeah, no, it's all good. My hands is kind of sticky because the bottle I just popped up. Yeah, that's just me, and then I got another page, but that's fine. Okay. I'm about to follow you back.
We'll talk about that on the other page.
Nice to meet you.
Alright.
You said Happy New Year.
Same to you.
We fucking got him.
Hey, look, know what I'm saying? One thing, two things for sure. When it comes to my boy Turbo, that boy is a smooth dude, no Michael Jackson shoes if he jumped in there whoop.
Bruh.
Nigga, I couldn't even finish this. Look, man, I'm fucked up, man. This nigga's tweaking, bro. Said, smooth dude, no Michael Jackson shoes. If I jumped in the pool, the water wouldn't move, you know what I'm saying? Whoop.
He recorded from right there the first time, he go like this. And then goddamn, when he come right here, he just up the camera, we just, that be nasty. Oh God, shit. Ooh. Oh no, they tripping. Doing dumb shit right there, like that, they tripping. Fuck no, I ain't doing all that. This 300 is shit, you know, but this motherfucker so sick.
Why did it?
Huh? Bro, that shit get too dirty quick. Yeah, this shit be piped up. We do like ghetto. That nigga hell, it's now in New York. Bro, I'm in this bitch crying, bro. That nigga Keith be listening to some sap music sliding. Cookbook, oh, Euro me lay. Hey, what? Hey, if you riding a Lime scooter, bro, right? You riding a Lime scooter, wherever that bit run out of money, does it just stop like a nigga fly off that bit?
No, I think it like beep. I think it beep it like slow down.
Well, that bitch just completely lock up on a nigga.
I'll be fucked by that bitch.
Bro, I'm fucking crying, bro. He just be riding and flip clean the fuck off that shit.
No time to waste, little baby. Little baby, come inside. Shoot about the way you're feeling. We can catch a vibe. Being in the street. I'm going to out for no reason.
Out of all engines, that nigga said, you got a snap pack engine in there? Oh, God.
It's either two reasons. He know about SWATs or he got down trying to be funny because, you feel what I'm saying? He got a scat, he trying to belittle a nigga. Yeah. But like, nigga, you can't belittle me because my badges is at home. I'm just waiting to get wrapped. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna put them on right now. Okay. My badges is literally at home.
I don't know if y'all know, but as of today, I blew my engine in my motherfucking Kia. Goddamn. SS on the motherfucking way. I told all three of these niggas, J-Dub, Turbo, and Keith, I won't smoke the first day Bone stopped the marrow. No cap. Y'all comment down below who y'all think gonna win that race. It's soon to come, man. Who you think gonna win out of all three races? J-Dub. That's a dub to me. Yeah.
Out of all three races?
I got a dub on J. I say I got a dub on J-Dub. I'm calling it now. I feel like I'm gonna snatch off
SS? Oh, yeah, of course.
I'm gonna snatch off on Keith for sure. You.
Yeah.
Me and you. I'm gonna just have to get off on your ass because I know you're coming. No cap.
No cap. I gotta get my shit right though. I'm telling y'all, once I replace this rack of pin and these upper control arms and brakes, we back running. I gotta get alignment after that. And after that, there's nothing. Okay. For a lot of these folks that really don't believe Atlanta got switches, bro, we can just get out, bro. And we just gonna listen. Just listen to how these bitches go out. Damn. Oh, there go the switch. Damn. I wanna hear that AR-15 again. Niggas shoot 7.62 308s. 223s too. Micro Draco. Damn. 300 looking over here, real sexy. 300 looking real sexy, man. Woo. You smell me. 300 looking real sexy. Got Keith right beside me. Faster than the wide bodies, bro.
Cap.
Whoa, 40. 40. On your hit. God, I had him. I shifted too early. I said at 5.
Wishing that I had a chance to bring a better night. I got feelings, I can't let them go. I'm knowing this shit ain't right. This shit crazy how they go by time and call this shit here life.